Hi and welcome. Today I've got the Spigen EZ Fit screen protector for the iPhone 15. This one's actually the Pro Max, and what I'll be showing you today is what's included in the pack and also how to apply it. So let's get into it. Right, so now we've just unboxed it, just to let you know what we've got in here. So we've actually got two of the actual screen protectors, which is great. I find these are the best. These Spigen ones are great. They last for ages. I would like to think you'd easily get 6 months to a year out of each one. So really, it's worth investing in these Spigen ones just so that you haven't got to keep on changing them all the time, because the cheaper ones are just a bit naff. You've got installation guide, QR code to the video online, which is actually really good. I was quite impressed with that. And a few more other sort of instructions and bits and pieces. Also your scraper to get rid of all of the bubbles afterwards, if you should have any. We'll find out. So I've had a few of these in the past with different phones. They are excellent. So within the actual pack, you've got your cloth for cleaning, you've got your dust remover sticker, and you've got your cleaning wipe. So let's just get one of the cleaning wipes, one of the stickers, and we'll need that. So start with the actual phone. Let's just give it a little clean using the wipe, just so that we get any dust or anything off. That's the last thing we want. So let's give that a nice clean. I've also actually got the case, the Spigen case for this as well, which again is excellent quality, and I did a video on that recently, so please take a look. Just give that a dry off with this. Excellent. And then also finally the dust remover sticker. I can actually see there are a few. Got a dog, so I can see a couple of dog hairs on there and other bits of dust and stuff. So take your time with this, by the way. It's worth it. Last thing you want is some blooming dust stuck underneath that's going to be there for ages. Okay, cool. I think that looks good to me. So let's just take one of these. So what you do on the back here, you've got like a peel. So let's just peel that off there. And it says, so you want to make sure that's at the top, and you place that down on top of the phone, not from the side. That's it, just press that down. And then it just says to slide your finger along those two and to wait for 30 seconds. Now I've had the cheaper ones in the past, which doesn't come with this kind of unit to guide and help you, and I find that it's off and it just doesn't work. They're cheap for a reason. Like, don't get me wrong, the Spigen one is a bit more expensive, but it's worth investing a bit more, just so you know it's going to be right and it will last for ages. Like, you can go through all the details on the protection and all that stuff, but it's basically it does the job. So now it's been about 30 seconds. I'm pretty happy with that. So we remove this sticker from here. Okay, cool. And let's just take that out of there. Peel that off. And as you can see, I've got a few bubbles. This is when we now try and prise them away. There we go, slowly does it. We're all learning. I think it might take a bit of time just to kind of get this exactly right, but I can see that it is slowly getting them out. Yeah, definitely, I think slowly is the way of doing it. Those kind of fast sweeping ones to begin with were not particularly amazing, but right, I'm going to carry on doing that and I'll give you a kind of final little glimpse at the end of how it's looked. Cool, so I've now kind of finished off putting out all of the bubbles. You just see the little one just there. But on the whole, don't get me wrong, it did probably take another couple of minutes just to get all the final bubbles out, but as you can see there, it's done a pretty good job. I'm pretty happy with that, but yeah, definitely recommend that. Links at the bottom should you want to purchase yourself. Excellent.